Let's go. Come on, boys. Give it a nice one. Let's go. Hey, boys. One, two, three, go. Now, deserve everybody to the boys. And wrong. And so far, everybody. And clap it up. Hello, the Matindikas. So 1, 2, 3, go.
Kami ang sexy girls!
Perhaps you arrange your group, arrange yourself according to your shoe size. Pinakamalaki is ang pinakamalaki. Let's go. Arrange your group, arrange yourself according to your waistline. Let's go. Waistline. 25, 31, 32, 33.
Below 50.
Tama nga naman. Yes, tama. Below 50. Palakpakan natin ang Dorasi mo. Arrange your group, arrange yourself according to your birth date. 1 to 31. Uulitin ko, birth date 1 to 31. Tignan natin kung nakikinig talaga ang teacher. Okay. Birth date 1 to 31. Tignan natin kung nakikinig talaga sila ng matindig. 1 to 31.
8.
November 8.
September 11.
September 11. July 19. April 24.
September 24.
September 24. Palakpakan natin. Okay, mukhang nangunguna ngayon ang girls. Ano boy, sa una lang magaling. Okay, again, ready tayo. According to your first name, letter A to letter C, let's go. Tapos na po na. Tapos na po, hindi na po magulong ka. Pangalan mo, hindi mo alam. Okay, letter A to letter C. First name. Alson, letter A. Chris, letter C. Ivy. Paul, letter B. Rustin, okay, yan. Ang star maraming uwa ay
Wow!
sige na, buksan na po agad.
Wow! Bagay na bagay!
Ano package?
Wow!
Package. Buksan mo lang yung link.
Ton. Super happy! Enjoy pa! Diba?
Wait lang.
Happy po lang.
Picture natin. Once again, may nakita po?
Wala po.
Wala, kasi wala po ha.
Dito naman po sa side na to! Ano yan? Ma'am Kawai! Ma'am Joy Me Kawai! May pangalan! May pangalan! Kawai!
Kabila, boys, again. Kabila, boys, come on.
Galingan nyo!
Come on, let's go, hardcore. Ayan, ma'am, at kailangan ko 47 pieces ha. Amang kita. Amang. Walang pisa.
Ma'am Kawai! Ma'am Kawai! Okay na, next! Sige po, go! Go po! Kawai muna! Okay na po! Wow!